Hello, AEP 800. This is Jason Lin, and I am recording my first video for Module 14 titled 5 New Technologies. And the first technology I want to share is EdPuzzle. EdPuzzle is a really cool web-based application that allows teachers to take video from multiple sources and embed short answer and multiple choice questions over the top of them to keep students more engaged and interacting with the video. Let's log in here. It's going to ask if you want to go in as a teacher or as a student. I am a teacher. It is linked to your Google account, so you can also easily assign these videos through your Google Classroom if you use Google Classroom with your students. Here's the landing page. You see up here in the left-hand corner, you have a search content bar, which we'll be using shortly. We are currently on the content page. It does link to its own gradebook. I, however, do not use its gradebook. I just use my own. And if I were to click my classes, it would show my students' names, but it would also show their email addresses. And I don't want to click there because it might have personal information about my students. Okay, so back here to the EdPuzzle landing page, you can see the different channels that it does work with. They have their own content, EdPuzzle, YouTube, Khan Academy, National Geographic, TED Talks, and a couple of other places. I will be working with my students on 3D shapes when I come back from my spring vacation. So 3D shapes into the search bar at the top and press enter. These are the, this is the content from EdPuzzle, things that other people have made. You can see these little pins here tell you how many questions are embedded into those videos. This one has 4, this one has 8 comprehension questions, this one has 1. If you find a video that you like, or if you don't, you can click on YouTube and you can start fresh for yourself, or even Khan Academy. It's really easy to pull a video out. You just hover over the icon, you can watch it. You can begin editing right away, or you can make a copy. If you press make a copy, it sends the video to this tab right here, my content. So I already have a video that I want to share. It's about a minute long. This is my copy of 3D shapes. And I will show you how easy it is right now to edit a video within this application. Okay, again, duplicate, again, watch it, or edit. I'm going to click on edit. And it will bring me right here to the first option that you have, which is you can trim the video content to your specifications for your classroom. This video is already really short. It's only a minute long. I'm going to use the whole thing. But if I did want to crop it, it is very simple to crop. You just drag this to where you want it to be. Okay, and you go ahead and press save. But I don't want to crop it. Okay. All right. You can also add a voiceover and record your own voice for your students over the top of this video. This video here. Okay, right here is the microphone attachment. You can take audio notes, or you can embed a quiz. What I want to do is embed a quiz. It's a very simple thing to do. You press play, and the video will start playing.
I start with S, and I can spin, I can roll, and it has no vertices either, and it has no corners.
So right there he says, what am I? All you have to do is press right here where the question mark is, and it opens an interactive box over here. This is for open-ended questions. This tab here is for multiple choice questions. And this tab here is just for typing a comment to your student. Like if I wanted to right now, I could say, this 3D figure is a sphere. Save. Continue.
What am I? I'm a solid shape. I have 8 corners. I have 6 sides. I slide. I can stack. I do not roll.
Right there he's about to say, I am a cube. Again, I can add a multiple choice question What is this 3D figure called? You can add multiple choices. You can X that one out and you can put the right answer wherever you want it to be. So you can say it's a cone, it's a pyramid, it's a cube, which is the correct answer, or it's a rectangular prism. Okay. Those are all my choices for this one. Click the save button, press continue.
I am a cube. I have one flat surface. I am curved.
Okay, so that's how you add in the questions, and we'll go back and disregard that one. I have one that's already done here that I added 5 questions to. I want to show you what it would look like for a student to interact with this. If I press watch right now, it will show all the different points where I have added a question into this video. If I play through the video, we've already seen much of this. Here's a question here. Right. So what am I? I am a sphere. Submit. It will tell them if they got it right or if they got it wrong. They press continue. They work through at their own speed.
I'm a solid shape. I have 8 corners. I have 6 sides.
Okay.
I slide. I can stack. I do not roll.
Again, there's another one. What am I? I am a cube. Submit. Continue. Let's skip ahead.
Roll, I cannot slide.
So what am I? I'm a sphere. And what I did on this one is at the end I added a short answer question.
I am a sphere.
That says the students need to make up their own riddle for a 3D figure. So they had worked through this video at their own speed. It would grade the multiple choice stuff, and when they type their riddle in and submit it, it will tell them this one still needs to be graded because it will come back to the teacher. Okay? So if I want to assign this video to my students, I press assign. This is my class here, right there. And it's as simple as pressing assign as long as it's already linked to your classroom. Okay. I can edit the name of it. It shows what the questions are. When's the start date? How about on the 29th when I come back? And when is the due date? How about on May 3rd at the end of the week? Save. Okay. Post on Google Classroom. Okay. Apparently I need to enable pop-ups in my browser settings, but that's how easy it is. Okay. Back to my classes. There is the assignment, waiting for students to work on it. So there you go. EdPuzzle, really, really simple to use. Hope you enjoyed it.